Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable call emergency services with 5-time button press and what it does on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to the Emergency SOS. So when you're in the setting, you are going to find the second option is going to call with 5-button press. If you turn on this feature and you're going to rapidly press 5 times the side button, this one right here, the countdown is going to begin and an alarm is going to sound. So the alarm is going to be played. When the countdown ends, iPhone will call emergency services by itself automatically. So if you turn on this feature, as I said, 5 times, countdown is going to begin. After the countdown, you're going to call the emergency services. So again, how to find the setting. So open settings, swipe down, go to emergency SOS. Once you're here, call with 5-button press. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.